kits information can be found in a couple different locations in SIS 2.0. So let's take a look at how to navigate through SIS 2.0 and locate the correct kits for our engine or our machine or our transmission or even component. So let me start off with a machine serial. And I'll navigate into the machine as I normally would. So I definitely recommend that from the home screen, put in your serial, click navigate to come to your product configuration page. Now, when you're looking for kits, depending on what you're looking for, the kits are going to be in different locations. So any kits related to a component on an engine, you're going to want to go to the engine arrangement. So if it was the turbocharger install or the water lines install or the cylinder head install or injector install gasket kit, you're going to want to navigate to the engine arrangement. If you have the engine serial, go to the arrangement number, and if you have a machine serial, you can usually find your engine arrangement right on your ASHIP product screen. Anything for the transmission, so if it was a gasket or bearing kits for the transmission, you're going to want to navigate to the transmission. And then when it comes to maybe seal kits on a hydraulic cylinder, you're going to want to navigate to the component directly and find the kits that way. So again, just as a recap, any component kit related to the engine, go to the engine arrangement. For the transmission, go to the transmission arrangement. And then a lot of times there's going to be kits for components like a hydraulic cylinder. Navigate to that cylinder or that component to find the correct rebuild kit. So let's take a look at some of the engine arrangement kits. So in this case, for this 966, my engine arrangement is in my configuration page right on my as shipped, and I'll click on the engine arrangement. So from here to find the kits, you'll see underneath your group notes here, you'll see a drop down that says alternate. So when I click on that, there are a couple reman options for this engine. There's a short and a long block for this engine. You can see that on the reman tab, but just to the right of that, you'll see an options tab. So when I click on options, here's my install kits. So you can see fuel injector install, flywheel housing gasket, turbo charger install, oil cooler line, so on and so forth. So here's my gasket kits to install those components on the engine. This is definitely going to be the most accurate way to go when it comes to looking for kits, because these kits are related directly to your engine arrangement. So it'll be the same thing for this machine if I'm looking for gasket kits for the transmission. So in this case, let me go to the powertrain. I'll go down to the transmission group. I'll find the correct transmission arrangement. So make sure you are selecting the correct transmission arrangement for your machine. And in this case, the alternate box, it's not under my group notes. It's underneath my transmission arrangement directly. So when I click that drop down, there are my kits. So I have bearing kits and I have gasket kits related directly to that transmission. So you can also find kits, like I said before, related directly to a component that you're going to need maybe in the hydraulic system. Like the example I gave was for one of the cylinders. So let me find a cylinder to take a look at. Let's look at the tilt cylinder. So same thing. If I go to the tilt cylinder itself, underneath alternate, there's the seal kit. And if I click directly into the cylinder itself for the larger breakdown of that kit, you can see under the notes, there's my alternate box, and then there's my cylinder seal kit. Now there is another way you can go to find kits information. I'll show you, but I also want to caution you. So on the left-hand side of my screen is my systems components. So you'll also find this, no matter where you navigate through parts, you'll see your systems components column off to the left here. So even if I'm starting my configuration page, I still have systems components. And you'll see at the very bottom of that, you'll see kit upgrades, kit repairs and service. So if I open that kit repairs and service, and I go to any of those, hydraulics or maintenance or drivetrain and steering, engines and electronics. So let's say I go to the engine for those gasket kits. Now you'll see some gasket kits listed over here to the left. Now I do want to caution you on this, is these are not, the kits listed here may or may not be accurate to your machine. The kits listed here may just be looking at not necessarily your serial directly, but it might be looking at a serial number range or even a build date range for this machine. So like I said before, definitely the most accurate way to find any kits related to your engine is to start off with your engine arrangement the way I showed you before, and then clicking the alternate box underneath that engine arrangement to find the kits directly related to your arrangement. Same thing with the transmission. Find the kits directly related to your transmission by finding the correct transmission, going to that group, and clicking the alternates box. That'll be the most accurate way to find your kits. Now, if kits are not listed in those ways that I just showed you, and the only kits listed are off over here to the left under your system's components, be sure it's the correct kit for your engine or transmission or machine before ordering it. And your local Milton Cat parts department will be there to help you sort out the correct kit for your machine and for your application.